Stop scratching.
She's never met this animal before, and look how the animal is to her.
That feels good. Does that feel good? Yeah.
It's like more. I'm having an Ed and Eddie moment. Chickens. Wait, I thought I saw a turkey. Turkey. Are those turkeys? Damn. I'm such a city girl. It's not even funny. Look at the chickens. Chicken. I'm getting touched. It's like, yep, I see you. It's a walk of the turkeys. Hey, you guys. Cool. Hi, chicken.
Let's come figure out.
We live in
And then once your food's done, you drop it later. You come right there, find somebody else. Okay, yeah, I'll look at it. They'll do one thing. So I tried that. They'll say, you know how that goes. This poor girl hasn't even driven it. But I'll tell you. Right there.
Oh my god, a chicken! Oh my god.
That poor girl hasn't even.
I got a chicken!